Ahoy there, my seafaring friends. Welcome to another episode of Titanic Fact or Fiction. One of many claims about the Titanic is that she was badly made, with headlines such as weak rivets or brittle steel, indicating that perhaps faulty materials contributed or even caused the disaster. Is this really the case? We must firstly consider the important fact that the Titanic was built from the same materials as all other ships of her day, as only in comparison with today's more modern materials does it appear to be perhaps flawed. But was it really inferior? In the media hype of finding a proverbial silver bullet, what has been overlooked are some critical flaws to the claims, specifically that there are many historians and scientists who criticize the conclusions of the various tests of Titanic metal. Take, for example, these 6 issues. Number 1. Only 49 rivets were sampled from a total of 3 million on the ship and were taken from an already destroyed part of the wreck rather than from the actual part of the hull that collided with the iceberg. Number 2. Studies neglect to calculate that the Titanic was in -2 degrees Celsius water only 4 hours prior to collision, rather than for her entire voyage. Or note that the boiler room inside the ship had temperatures of 38 degrees Celsius that would have also affected the steel, perhaps offsetting the temperature. Number 3. The wreck itself is testament to how well the ship was made. Despite massive bends in the hull, the plates and rivets show no fracturing or failures, and this is even after being submerged in freezing water for more than a century, and even having submarines land on the structure. Number 4. The big piece, as it's called, even though it was accidentally dropped to the ocean floor during its recovery, showed no signs of damage when it impacted on the sea floor for the second time. Number 5. Other scientific tests, such as conducted by Titanic researcher and Navy wreck explorer Park Stevenson, do not agree with the brittle steel conclusions. Number 6. The Olympic-class ships were designed with rivets and plates thicker than that required by the Board of Trade and used the best available materials. The result is borne out in the life of the Titanic's older sister ship, the Olympic, which had a successful 25-year career which included several collisions, such as a World War I torpedo and striking a U-boat and lightship, and yet she was nicknamed Old Reliable. At the end of the day, the rivets were simply the weakest point in an otherwise strong structure that was sadly breached in a collision with ice. So yes, Thomas Andrews, you built a fine ship. I hope you enjoyed this journey to discover facts rather than fiction. Until next time, my seafaring friends, it's bon voyage.